Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to Mang Fun the Vlog with Pabiba, Pabebe, and Pabebe. Right on cue, hey boy. Okay, Nitro fam, so nagda-drive po kami ngayon. Papuntang doktor. God, hello siya. He's going to get his 12-month vaccines kahit 15 months old na siya. So ngayon, it'll be interesting to see what his reaction will be kasi malaki na siya, di ba? Feel na niya yung vaccine. Hindi katulad ng dati na na-injectionan siya and then he was like, iyak lang ng konti and then we karga him, okay na siya.
Mamaya ka pa iyak. Sige po. Sorry. Okay, carry na po. Carry na. Ako na na, Dwaine. Ako na na, Dwaine.
Ay, ka na lang siya? Ah, sige.
Hi, baby! Hi, baby!
Oh, baby.
Antok na ako eh.
Pero,
Malapot siya.
okay ka lang. Pero ngayon, iba na. Baka baka grabe ang iyak niya.
Nitro! Be? Baby Nitro! Are you ready? Hello, Dr. Angel! You say hi, Dr. Angel! Hindi po kami pupunta dyan. Malayo po kami, yes. Nandito tayo sa Manila.
Manila Street. You know, what better place to get vaccinated than Manila Street for Nitro? Parang nasa Manila lang
Nasa
tayo.
Manila ka na, bebe. Manila na.
Manila na lang tayo.
Saan si Dr. Angel?
Okay, Nitro fam. Ito siya.
Manila Street Surgery.
Manila Street Surgery. So you know? Okay, we are going to get Nitro his vaccine na. Look, baby. You're happy now, pero mamaya di ka na happy. Alright, here we go. Yes, Dr. Kusadati.
Now, come and stand on this one here. Good boy. 11.3.
Alright, so this young fellow is 15 months old.
Yes, he is. He's saying, hi,
Alright. Just gonna look in your ears. Everything is going well with him?
yeah.
Do you have any concerns?
I want his lungs.
His lungs, I think, because when he was born, he was in, like, I don't know if it was intensive care, but
I see.
it was, they said he had pneumonia.
Okay, when he was born.
Yeah.
Any trouble since?
No,
no,
not
but I
really,
guess-
but I can hear like when he does
Yeah,
that.
something in his lungs.
Sometimes.
And hold his arms with your other arm. Ah.
Say,
Good boy.
Good
Good
boy.
boy, yay! Yay! Happy hands. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay.
So listen to his back.
To your back, yeah. Listen to your back. Ooh, what's
Ooh,
that?
it's cool.
What's
Ooh. Ooh. What's that?
Ooh.
Is it cold, Nitro?
That's fine.
Yay.
Okay,
Oh,
that's good.
That's a relief.
Good boy. Sorry, kid, but we're going to save your life, don't we? Yes, we do.
Very mean. I know that all the time.
Oh, you're not going to be a happy boy.
Alright, so what I'll
Just
get
in
you
case
to
he wants
do
it.
Yeah.
is with these hands, hold him like that. So,
Online.
yeah,
Okay.
quite firmly.
Yeah.
And do two here and one here. And I tend to do it quite quickly, okay?
Alright, baby. Relax.
Hey, look
Okay,
at
ready?
mommy.
3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah, that hurt. Oh, no, that hurt. Oh, no.
It's okay,
Look
baby.
at mommy.
Hi, baby.
Hi, mommy. I am so glad. I know. Yeah.
Ouch,
It's
ouch.
okay.
Boy, that one
It's okay.
stings. I know.
It's okay.
Very brave.
One more, buddy. One more. Oh, I know.
Very brave. Yay. Good boy.
Okay, all done.
Come to mommy, come to mommy.
All done. You're okay, buddy. You're okay. You did a good job. You did very good.
Has he got a Australian Medicare card?
He doesn't know.
No, okay, that's all right. That's fine. I'll just give you a.
Okay, Dwaine fam, tapos na. Hey, baby boy, tapos
Very
na.
good,
Yeah,
baby.
hey, woohoo, it's a
Ang ganda
baby shark, baby shark.
Show them, baby.
Tapos na, hey, baby. Yeah.
Si Dwaine po yung pinahawak ko kay Nitro kasi mas comfortable po siya kay Dwaine kasi yung hawak sa kanya parang nahuhulog kasi siya sa akin. You will take a photo? Nasa Manila. Tanggalan niyo mo mask. Ala, it's good because he's doing that. Yay! Do it! You do it! It's so
You did.
cute.
You did it, didn't you?
Yay, you
Very
did
good.
it.
Very good.
good.
Very good. Okay, buddy. We'll take you home now. Nitro was very brave. Matapang si baby. Ano? Yes.
Poor guy, when he was crying, he was like,
Yeah, he was holding his breath because it was so painful. You poor boy. It's mahirap makita na anak mo may injection or masasaktan ng baby mo. But we have to do it for his health. Right? Yes. You had to have that one so that you don't get the measles and everything else. Right? Yes.
babalik tayo in 3 months.
3 months. Oh yeah, for his 18 months.
Let's go.
Okay, tara na.
We're going home.
Alam niyo, masakit sa dibdib. Kanina nakita ko na saktan si Nitro, masakit sa dibdib, no?
Sa bibib.
Sa dibdib.
Ayan si Nitro, hindi naman masakit yung dibdib niya,
It's
masakit
like-
yung braso niya.
Like, oh, we had to hurt him to help him. Parang ganun, di ba? So, it's masakit. But at least, tapos na. Mabilis lang naman.
Mabilis yung nurse ba siya?
Oo, nurse. Yeah, nurse siya. Bilis.
Maganda pa. Yes. Maganda
So,
pa ano?
Ikaw mas maganda. Ay!
Yum. In-insert pa.
Okay guys. Well, eto na ang katapusan ng vlog na to. Salamat sa panonood. As always, Dwaine fam. And we will see you sa susunod na video natin. Alright guys, bye for now. Oh, and one last thing. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-download ng PhilTalk app, download na kayo. Links are in the description below. It is our app. Nasa App Store na siya. You can download it din for Android. Check it out. Nasa description po. Okay guys, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Nitro. You say bye. Bye.
End the day with you. I really, really wanna walk you down the aisle.